I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought.
Hey, what's up guys? One half of the Caper Couple back. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. So today I've got another parcel in the mail. We're going to do a little unboxing here. So I waited probably 2 weeks for this one, guys. Size of the box. There's a blade here to cut it open. So what I have quite a bit of things on order, guys, and this is just one of them. So I think I know what this one is. It should be a microphone, so we'll have much better sound from now on. Let's just get it open here. So yeah, guys, we should have a lot better sound from now on. I watched some reviews on this microphone, and it's not a really expensive one, but the reviews that it got, it's a really good microphone for the price. And they compared it to the Rode microphone, and from what I seen, guys, there wasn't any difference at all. It had that great a sound quality, just like a Rode microphone. So get it open here. There it is there, guys. It's called a Boya. And I have another one ordered too, but it's not the same brand. I ordered the second one from Walmart. This one here came from a camera store somewhere in the States. So in the box, guys, here's what's in the box. Move my ashtray out of the way there. We have just a warranty paper, a little instruction booklet, and I'm going to hook it up here, guys, and show you guys what the difference in the audio is going to be. And this mic comes with a dead cat, so no more wind issues outside. No more of that. I was so tired of these wind issues, and I want to produce quality videos for you guys. So the price of this, guys, it came to $52.32. That's with shipping and all. So we've got a holder. I'll figure a way to mount this up to I'll find a way to mount it onto my my gimbal, guys. Comes with a nice little bag, little carry bag, a little leather pouch. It is. Seems like leather. Or fake leather. You get two separate cords. And your dead cat is already on the mic. Sweet little mic, guys. Really nice. So we'll take it out here. Let's get the mic off here for a second. Show you guys that. There's your microphone. It's all aluminum. It's all aluminum. It's well made. Boya. Great little product, guys. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That the regular cover is stuffed in here in the dead cat. I don't know if I can get it out. I'm going to have to get it out to put this back together right. I should have actually just left the dead cat on it, but we'll get this out. Maybe it won't. Well, anyway, put it back together. Actually, I'll leave it apart, guys, so you can hear what it sounds like without the dead cat on it. So, you see what the audio's like now without. So I'm going to stop the vid. When I restart, guys, I'll have this microphone hooked up and we'll see what it's like. So catch you back in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. I now have everything hooked up to the gimbal. I just tested out a clip myself to see what it was like, and it's actually really good sound quality for a cheaper mic. So the reviews on it were right. It's just as good as a Rode microphone. It actually looks identical to a Rode microphone, but it's just from a cheaper name company, which I can't actually see these mics staying down in the cost because they're a good microphone. Once they start selling, guys, you know what happens there. Price goes up. But yeah, quality is good. So we'll be using this for now on. I actually have a second one on order, like I said before, but it's not this name brand. It's something similar, but it was bought through Walmart. And boy, their shipping times are just ridiculous because I ordered it around the same time as this one. I still haven't received that one yet. So yeah, that's about it, guys. We'll be using this for now on. Great sound quality, great video quality from the camera, so that's what I'm trying to produce for you guys, is the best I can, so you guys will enjoy the videos, you know, instead of clicking by them or speeding through them. I want you guys to watch it. So with all that being said, let you guys go here, and until the next one, comment, subscribe, give us a like, guys. Hit that like button. We need your help. Without your help, we can't continue doing this. Make sure your post notifications are on, guys.